we're sailing, sailing, sailing. Here we go, we're sailing for the Lord. Come along your Bibles, Bibles, Bibles. Come along your Bibles for the Lord. Come along and join us, join us, join us. Come along and join us for the Lord. Sailing, sailing over the ocean blue. We fly and fly across the water, says get a chip. Oh, we're sailing, sailing on the stormy sea. Around the water, says you, and sail on God with me. Yippee, pee-wees. So love of Jesus was that, said a dumb cat. And you always have to love what Jesus did down in your heart, and you don't know what is it, right? So, the love of Jesus deep down in your heart, and you'll get punished for it. I just know that the first part and the last part where it goes. So, I just want to tell you, the love of Jesus deep down in your heart. Because here comes Brother Brian. Okay, guys. Welcome to the Phillies Church in the world. Actually, but Pancraft says it like this. Welcome to the Phillies Church and the universe. So again, the world and universe, okay? So welcome to the Phillies Church and the world of the universe. Okay, so we're going to learn about the love of God, okay? Okay. It says right here that the